So here is this FLYP app, fashion design studio, fashion studio in your pocket. This app getting more and more traction recently. FLYP is on a mission to democratize fashion design. First fashion design app that lets you design and sell fashion collections straight from your phone. Design straight from your phone, apparel, accessories, and objects, the art that can be made and delivered in a matter of days. Get ready to unleash your creative potential with FLYP's advanced design tools and AI. Browse corrected selection of premium clothing templates, t-shirts, hoodies, sneakers. Let your imagination run wild as you customize each piece to your personal touch. And then place your order and let sustainable manufacturing techniques bring your creation to life. Say farewell to mini order quantities and embrace unlimited possibilities with no minimum policy. Receive your one-of-a-kind custom apparel at your doorstep in just few short days. And then you can also sell, just launch your own fashion brand and share your designs with the world. So it's pretty cool app. Like, sometimes you just have like literally an idea for a phrase or some little nice color, which you just wanna have. And you don't see other brands having that. And you just want to be like super unique, and this is the app where you can just make that happen. You can of course buy like from some creators, but still nobody will make like a perfect touch what exactly you want to. So here is like, for example, you can use like a premium hoodie. You can see that's you can also just use the design. You can use like AI. Yeah, and then you can just use like AI prompts to basically create a design for your hoodie, which is pretty cool. And then it's just creating your design. So yeah, something like that, and then you will see the idea. You can just regenerate it. And then of course they have like a Discord community. So then you have it here, like you have this nice design. All right, so probably like my prompt wasn't the best one because I entered like a hoodie, so I shouldn't do that. I don't know, like let's just write like you can see all the different modes here. And then just add all of these details, all these tags. And then you can just use this like that. So that's basically the hoodie you will have. And then you can apply to all. You can try to remove background. So yeah, you can just play with it. All right, so that didn't work out. So again, you can just reset. I'm just showing you like how easy it is to basically do that. And then how just you can do that. So there are not only hoodies. So basically you can also subscribe. There is a free trial, and then $7.99. I don't know what's like $7.99 per week. So okay, so it's quite expensive app. But you can launch your FLYP shop, export all generated images from designs, and then you can have like 50% discount on all products. So then you can just create like all over print, premium sweatshirt, digital printing. You can see the price with the Pro is like just 50% cheaper. There are pillows as well. So there are like digital printing. Your design is precisely printed directly onto a garment. So yeah, and all over print to design is into raw fabric. Then it's This allows your design to cover every inch from seam to seam. So that's basically the idea here. So here you have like a premium t-shirt. You can only use it with free, with paid, and then you can just use it, and then just you can use and then use all the different tags just to make it more detailed. The more detailed you make it with prompts, the better it can become. Of course, like and then it's pretty cool. I don't know in which countries this app is working. So yeah, you can just regenerate it. So yeah, as you can see, you can just create all of this stuff and get it printed and get it delivered to you. So for example, this is nice one. I don't know why it has apply to all. So yeah, here you have it like that. I think that's pretty cool, right? Then symmetry. You can, didn't work well. So I just want to go back. How do I do this? I don't know. Information assistant. There is some assistant here. Oopsie. So anyhow, you just need to, again, you just need to play with it. So it really starts to work, and then there is like a mask. You can just do this and then just apply some different masks, add some texture. Add some effects and then just kinetic effects. So yeah, pretty cool. I think this is amazing app. So then again, you can reset. So yeah, if you're not happy, with basically your clothes, you can definitely give a try to this one. So there are a bunch of assets here. You have, you can change color, you can add all over, you can use photos from your camera, your background, different shapes. So yeah, and then you can just basically, and then you can just purchase it. Ships worldwide from US and EU. Ships into 5 business days. Please ensure that important design elements are kept away from the printed area to avoid being cropped during the sewing process. Regular fit. Then you can just do, and then unfortunately you need to upgrade. So yep, that's basically how it works. For some, only for some things you need to upgrade. There's the whole learning hub, and yeah, I would really recommend you to try it out. So you can again use photos, you can use background. '80s vibe. So for example, let's just try to use that. It's actually quite nice. Apply to all. Oh, it doesn't work with this one. So I'm just showing you that, yeah, you can really, So yep, that's just what you have. So give a try to this app.